JCB is looking for high school graduates with grit and determination who are looking for the next step in their careers. We are a global company with headquarters in Savannah, Georgia, and we are always looking to develop our talent.
The JCB Apprenticeship Program prepares you for any of the disciplines of engineering. So you can develop your career as a software engineer, as a manufacturing engineer, as a design engineer, and you can go as far as you want to go.
The opportunities at JCB are absolutely tremendous. We have employees that have started out on the line in assembly and have worked their way up to manager level and above.
I started as an apprentice nearly 35 years ago. I went through 4 years of training and I've become chief engineer, and those basic roots that I started with, I still remember today.
The program gives young people the opportunity to get hands-on experience while going to school. JCB supports the apprenticeship program by paying for all tuition, books, as well as being paid as a full-time employee along with benefits. If you're interested in a career with manufacturing and engineering, then this program is for you.
I don't know anyone my age that's doing what I do. JCB offered a very hands-on program where I can also go through and design my own parts. Most programs around here don't offer that.
And when I heard that this was available locally and that I could, fund my education through JCB as well, it was like a no-brainer.
The apprentice program doesn't just expose you to engineering, you also get to see how our manufacturing, how our purchasing, how our assembly, how our fabrication departments work. You also get to interact with different types of people, different ages of people, and different skill levels of people. At the end of 5 years, you've got not just technical capability and academic capability, but you've got experience as well. It's quite unique to have a balance of both academic and experience. We have a very small, capable team, so the opportunities to very quickly be working on something substantial are great here. They're an integrated part of the team, and when the apprentices join us, they actually sit in the design team and the design meetings, in the development team and the development meetings, and they're out driving the machines with our development engineers as well. They see the whole process from the beginning to the end.
Every rotation I've been in, there's a mentor there that's assigned to you as an apprentice. And every mentor I've been with throughout the program has been definitely beneficial. You could work anywhere, but it's the people that want to help you that kind of make the job, and the program is geared to get you to learn the most in every rotation you do. So it's definitely the team here that makes the job what it is.
You need to seize the opportunity. It's a very limited window when people will share this kind of critical data with you.
The greatest part of the JCB Apprenticeship Program is that it gives students the opportunity to graduate debt-free while being a full-time employee with full-time benefits.
I don't come from a lot of money. We didn't have the money to spend for college. So it was either the military or it was JCB. I was really on the fence. I would just tell myself, go for it. It has been probably the best decision I've made in my life.